Kia ora. Right, so now I'm having a look at the ask for multiple outputs and options. Now in ChatGPT we actually have what's called custom instructions. So we're going to have a look at how I can add some custom instructions, and for Gemini and Claude we're just going to add this 3 to 5 answers as an additional part of our prompt. So let's go and have a look at ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, if I start a new chat, you can see that I've got a chat here and I could start typing in content. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and use custom instructions. I do that by clicking on Simon McCallum and Customize ChatGPT. Under Customize ChatGPT, I would tell it something about myself, and so I would go, I am a lecturer at University of Wellington, and down here, scrolling down, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So let's say I'm going to 3 to 5 different perspectives. So I'm going to copy and paste that in here. Always give me 3 to 5 answers from different perspectives. Okay, so when I save that, now when I have this new chat, the AI is going to, ChatGPT will use the instructions I gave it, which is something it knows about me, which is I'm a lecturer at university, but also it will give me multiple options. So when I say give me a definition of the logical fallacy of begging the question. Now you see I've got a spelling mistake there, but it doesn't matter. It's going to work out what I'm doing. It knows it's got double L's. So here it's going to say thing. Now can we spot anywhere where it's used the fact that it knows something that I'm a lecturer at university? The circular reasoning, and so here are a few perspectives to consider: circular reasoning, vicious circle, assumed truth without evidence, begging question assertion, and cognitive trap, begging question. So now you can see that it's asked those multiple questions and it's given me multiple different answers, and potentially from different perspectives. This can help you understand what you're trying to achieve. Now, interestingly, in Google Gemini, if I go new chat, I could say, let's say I've got the same question, right? Definition of begging the question. And here, instead of just, because I don't have those custom instructions, what I'll do is begging the question and then go give me 3 to 5 different perspectives. All right, so I'll add that in there. Again, I left the spelling mistake in, so it's a fair test. And what we see here is absolutely the classical definition, the restatement perspective, the presumption perspective, the linguistic confusion perspective, and the everyday logic perspective. So here it's also trying to give me those different ideas, and this can help me understand. So in modern use, begging the question is often misused to mean raises the question. This is different from the logical fallacy. The correct meaning is that assuming the conclusion, while the informal version is about provoking a related question. So here it's actually helped me understand that begging the question is sometimes used incorrectly as asking to be asked the question. So that is a different perspective on defining begging the question, and that could be very useful because I've gone, oh, now I understand where the mistake comes from. Okay, so rather than just accept the first answer, if you ask it to give you multiple perspectives, one of them might be better than the default answer it gives you without adding that. And we can see that here, if I just copy and paste that, we go a new chat and I just go define begging the question, it will just give me a single definition. Absolutely, definition, and then it tells me what is a fallacy and gives me an example, and yeah, so it doesn't give me those different perspectives.